blizzard time. We haven't had a blizzard this bad since 2015, and you know it's bad when the snow comes all the way up to the garage. Windy, snowy, and very cold. Let's check how much snow we have so far. All right, this is centimeters and inches, I think. We have so far in the driveway about, oh, you can't see. Looks like about a foot of snow in the driveway. So let's go outside and explore the snow. Whiteout conditions here on the street. We're looking down into Newton Center here. It's very windy. The truck trying to go. Oh my, I can barely see down there.